Hi guys, this is Ellen Best from the Bionutrient Food Association, the BFA, with your BFA Minute. So today I want to talk about trying stuff and also observing what you do. So don't be afraid to do stuff that you've never done before. I mean, a lot of people want to do things exactly right the first time, and that's cool. But, you know, the zigzag path to figuring things out, on that path you can learn a lot. So whether it means, maybe starting all your plants from seed one year and seeing how that goes, which is exactly what I did. So I really upped my art garden game this season, that was the big change. But along the way I realized what was even more important, and that was watching what was happening. So I would really take a walk through my garden, look at the seeds growing really carefully every day, a lot, more than I cared to admit. So in the garden, what plants need more water? What do the leaves look like when they're hardened off too fast? The edges kind of get light, the leaves start to kind of wilt. How long does that take? In the shade? In the sun? You'd think sun would be better for plants, but So same thing in the garden. Like some of the seedlings I planted in different parts of the garden. So for instance, this is a borage plant. Let's see if you can see it. See that guy? So healthy, right? Okay. Now I'm going to show you the same batch of seedlings. See if you can see this. See this guy? And this guy? And that guy? Barely hanging on. Only have a few leaves. Same batch. So what's the difference between this row on the side of the garden, which I admit I kind of knew wasn't very good soil, and this spot on the end of this row, as you can see, which I kind of knew was good soil? So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a soil test from both and finally see why. I mean, I kind of knew that edgy part over there on the edge of the garden wasn't as good, and I kind of listened and observed and thought, well, I'm just going to plant perennials there, and they're doing great. But those little borage plants, they're not happy. So try stuff, observe, keep track, and it's like a science experiment that you can do whatever you want. So good luck. Thanks a lot.